Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical and network basics that often block SMS codes. First, make sure the SIM is seated and active with a carrier plan. A weak or missing signal prevents delivery. Once done, toggle airplane mode off and on, then restart the device to reset network registration. If your phone shows no service, switch to a different location or a known good Wi-Fi calling setting to force re-registration with the carrier. Next, you must ensure the service sends to the exact number and format expected, double-check country codes, and remove extra characters. Then clear your SMS app cache or try a different messaging app so stored errors don't interfere. Make sure you've disabled any SMS blocking, spam filters, or do not disturb rules that could drop short codes. Also, check that your carrier supports short codes or two-factor messages, since some prepaid or international plans block them. Finally, request a resend and choose an alternate delivery method like a phone call, email, or app authenticator to complete access immediately. If messages still fail, contact your carrier and ask them to inspect short code or SMS gateway blocks and message routing for your number. Request a network refresh or provisioning update. If nothing else works, back up data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, then retest. If it still fails, the carrier or sender service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.